Okay. Can you? Okay, let's put that back in. It's all right. Let's keep you sending the old one. Las Vegas, then Juliet 146 and Dicey, and then Bump and Siskiyou 3 arrival. Can you put those back?
Stand fast real quickly for FedEx 4774.
Yeah, that's. I mean, that was the old Route 800. Otherwise, nobody else is here.
Gotcha. Yeah, that'd be who it is. Thank you.
Yeah, it's a big airspace, and Vatsim, I mean, you won't see real-world traffic levels unless you're an event, but usually it's pretty gentle.
Yeah, it's a bit better than the real life.
Sure.
And LA Center, FedEx 4770.
Your tray table must be stowed, armrests down and window blinds open. You now need to be seated with your seatbelt fastened, ready for landing. Please help us by handing in any rubbish, newspapers or magazines that you do not want to keep. The toilets...
Southwest 3612.
FedEx 4774, disregard that.
Affirm, FedEx 4774.
Southwest 3612 request.
Good.
I would like to cross Palm Springs at 9,000 according to chart, please.
I do apologize. Yes, you're absolutely right. Palm Springs at 9,000, clear for the approach.
Alright, sir. According to chart, 9,000 I will cross Palm Springs Airport. Appreciate, thank you.
And Singapore 25 extra heavy, thanks for your help. You can resume normal speed now.
Resume normal speed, Singapore 25 extra.
Philippine 24 right approach.
Clear direct Kobe, cross Kobe at 2,200 feet and clear for the ILS 24 right approach. Philippines 102 heavy.
That's now 19859. You're just like to change to your routing. You're clear to John Wayne Airport via radar vectors Seal Beach, Sierra Lima, India, direct, maintain 5,000, departure frequency 126.52, squawk 5336.
Okay, cleared to John Wayne via radar vectors to Seal Beach VOR, and direct to the airport, climb maintain 5,000, 126.52, 5336. 859.
859, read back correct. Latest information, Whiskey, runway 25 right for departure, Cobra taxi.
Alright, 859, roger.
Center Philippines 102 heavy captured localizer. Runway 24 right.
Emperor 102, sorry, Philippine 102 heavy, wind 2404, runway 248, clear land. United 1813, just confirm you have the Ocean 1 departure dialed in to your FMC, not the Orca.
Can you repeat it? United 1813.
Sorry, did you, do you have the Ocean 1 instead of the Orca 5, correct? Back 2032, the wind is just changed. The information is Foxtrot wind variable at 4, altimeter 2995, runway 27, clear land. Singapore 2 X-ray Zulu heavy, turn 5 degrees to the left, ascend and maintain 5,000.
What runway can we expect for EVOs 16 heavy?
Try again.
What runway can EVO 16 heavy expect?
Not sure where are you, Evo 16?
We're at Los Angeles.
Alright, check your pre-departure clearance, it's in there.
Okay.
Los Angeles Center, good evening. Allegiant 257, checking in flight level 390.
Legion 257, radar contact, flight over 390. 9 at 1813, if you're all set, runway 24 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 24 left. United 18.
Philippine 102 Heavy, welcome to Los Angeles, cross runway 24 left, turn left on Echo, gate 141.
Hello, good evening. Legion 118, 50350, we're just about
Sorry,
overhead
24 left,
Fenix
Echo
contact.
Gate 141, Philippines 102 Heavy.
Legion 118 low, radar contact, flight over 350.
LA Cessna 19859 is at LA, Holy Short Foxtrot Ray, taxi whiskey.
Turn on your transponder, please.
Say that again.
Turn on your transponder.
Turn on the transponder, man.
South 3612, the wind is 3308, runway 31 left, clear land.
31 left, clear to line. Southwest 3612. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Number 19859, you want to just take it from Foxtrot there in front?
Affirmative.
Right, taxi runway 25 right, via Foxtrot, and line up and wait.
Alright, 25 right via Foxtrot and line up right 25 right for 59.
Alexander Singapore 2 X-ray Zulu Heavy, establish the ILS 26 left.
I think we're 2 X-ray Zulu Heavy, wind calm, runway 26 left, clear land.
Clear to land, runway 26 left, Singapore 2 X-ray Zulu Heavy.
American 2032, welcome to San Diego. Make a right turn on Bravo, and your gate number is 40. All right.
Los Angeles and November 1133 Tango, John Wayne Airport, Information Alpha Radio check.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cabin crew will
55.
shortly be leaving their seats to perform
LA Center Singapore 2 X-ray Zulu Heavy, we need to go around.
We ask that you remain
So we're 2 X-ray Heavy, Roger. Maintain 7,000, flighting 260.
portable electronic devices.
Maintain 7,000, fly heading
14
to...
runway, say push start approved, face south on Alpha.
Push start approved, facing south onto Alpha, American 2214.
Los Angeles and November 1133 Tango, John Wayne Airport, Information Alpha Radio check.
You're 5-5, how do you copy me?